What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Friday, January 27, 2023. In front of you, I have the Nasdaq 5-minute chart and a 1-minute. 5-minute is where we do our analysis. The 1-minute is where we do our trades. We are trading with two contracts. This is a funded account. This is an evaluation account. And you have been following my other videos. This is going to be day three of live trading to see if we can pass this account, turn into a PA account, which is a live account, and then we can withdraw from this account. But for right now, we're trying to pass this evaluation. That means we have to make $3,000 in profit without losing $2,500 along the way. So with that said, guys, I do have my game plan for today. It's Friday. We have to be careful. Market, as you can see, it's in an uptrend, so we're trying to go with the trend, and we're gonna look for to buy the market. So with that said, guys, as soon as I have a trade, I'll get you guys back. All right, guys, so we're looking at a setup to go long. Market came down to this area once, twice. It's back here. So this candle closes on green, but I see it struggling. Okay, close green. So this is where we should come in. So let's see, guys, let's go. I think I might have already missed it. Well, I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait for a better setup. So it's a higher low from here, so it should continue to go up. We are on a uptrend. I just didn't like how this candle was struggling to get up there. This big wicks. Our entry was here. Yeah, there he goes. All right, no problem. We missed that one. We'll wait for the next one. Okay, guys, I'm back. So went back down, touched a major zone. This candle is telling us that it wants to keep going up. So this next one closes green. Then we go in. So it's looking like it's there. So we'll go in. Hopefully this candle doesn't go all the way up. There you go. So we can have our trade, our entry somewhere right here. Let's see. Guys, we're in this trade maybe a little bit too soon. Didn't like that big spike, but we're already in. Should have waited a little bit more. Might take us out. Let's see. All right, so we're out. $150. I'll take that. Like I said, it's Friday. I'm not gonna risk this anymore. We are 3-0 for this week. You guys can watch the other videos. I'm labeling them day 1, day 2. So it's gonna be day 3 in this one. What we're trying to do is pass the evaluation account. That means we have to make $3,000 without losing $2,500. And here it is. So I have a trade copier which copies that trade that we just took. It puts it on my other 9 accounts. So we have 10 accounts that we're trading. So this is, like I said, it was a brand new account. This first one is a simulation, so don't pay attention to that. It's from here, Apex, all the way down. It's a 50,000 account. We're already at 750 in profit this last 3 days. So again, the goal is to hit that 3,000 mark. So hopefully we can do that next week. We want to do that in the next, we're in day 3, so we can do that next week, the next 4 or 5 days, pass the evaluation, and then go into the PA, which is the live account, rinse and repeat, and then we draw profits. All right. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, it's Friday. And look at that, market's gonna keep going up. But again, I already took this profit. I'm in no rush. We're 3-0 this week. I'd rather have consistable, profitable small gains than trying to hit a home run with just one trade. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys, I just wanted to add for transparency. So let's go see the trade performance for the account really quick. So let me grab that from my other screen. Here we go. So I started this evaluation account on the 24th. So first of all, let's get rid of, so these are my, there's 10 accounts with Apex. So you guys can see I trade futures. I do have, let's get rid of this no template. I do have the 1 contract, 2 contracts. I know the first time the reason I have the 1 and 2 is because sometimes when the market is not as trending or it's just choppy or whatever, or if I'm not 100% on the trade, I'll drop to a contract. So I have the contract, 2 contracts, futures, and then you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Okay, so it starts at 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. So that's my 10 accounts, and then we're going to get rid of the simulation. So you guys see there's all my 10 accounts. We started on the 23rd, the week of the 23rd. Today's the 27th, so let's generate that. And that's where we're at, $990 in profit for the account. And if we go here, we're at 750 because of the fees that they take away. And what happened also was when that first day that I had the trade copier, I hadn't put, because when you go to the trade copier, let me show you that really quick, guys. So here it is, right? So here you choose what you're trading. In my case, I only trade Nasdaq. And then you choose like your leader account, meaning like your main account, and then the rest are the following accounts, like the followers. And then here you choose what you want, right? So in my case, I have the exact quantity because I want the exact same trades. I believe when I first got it, I didn't go through the settings, or I chose the first 2 settings, but I don't think I had this one. So I don't know where it was at the beginning. And so that's why you guys see that small difference from the 7. See, you guys, it's 750, 747, 742. So that first trade was not equal quantity, and that's why there's that difference from the 990. I mean, this just gives you, this performance gives you your net without taking any fees. I think there's a way to do that on the settings, but I just don't have it. But when you there's fees, I can show you guys that as well here. So when you have this accounts, you have to have this to Rhythmic through Apex. So if I go to the dashboard, if I load, there you see my 10 accounts. So if we load them, you can see that like today's trade. Okay, so here, if we make 53,000, which is a 3,000, it all liquidates, meaning you pass the account. If you go below 47,500, then which is basically the $2,500. If you lose that, then you have to start again. So today's trade, they took the 796 on fees, right? So that's why it's from the 150 that you see here, it's 142. So all the trades that I've been taking, of course, there's fees. So that's why you guys see here that there's 990 as far as profits, but in reality, we're like at 750 somewhere in there. So yeah, guys, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video next week.